1. The air conditioner must be installed by professional personnel. 2. Pay attention to the installation position of indoor and outdoor units to ensure the normal use and/or maintenance. 3. For unit with refrigerant R32 or R454B, according to the requirements of combustible gas, ensure both of indoor and outdoor units well ventilation, and strictly prohibit the operation of open flame in the installation location. For detailed info, please refer to the unit installation manual. 4. For unit with R410A, R32 or R454B, gas leakage detection operation must be carried out after the pipe's connection of the indoor and outdoor units to ensure the refrigeration system without gas leakage. 5. For R410A, R32 or R454B units, it must be vacuumed to ensure that the system without air inside. 6. Ensure that the indoor and outdoor connection wires and power supply are connected correctly and reliably. When the indoor and outdoor connection pipe exceeds the standard length, the extra refrigerant needs to be added. The specific additional quantity must be based on the different refrigerants R410A, R32, or R454B, and model types, etc. For details, please refer to the corresponding service manual. 1. Please check the status of indoor and outdoor units first before installation. Is there any parts broken? Can the indoor crossfan operate? Does the remote controller work normal? Etc. If the crossfan can't operate, for example, it needs to check and adjust the crossfan first. 2. Is there gas flow from the connector? If there is no gas coming out from the connector, you need check the evaporator anyplace leakage. 3. Unfix the electric box cover, and connect the indoor and outdoor unit connection wires. Important: please double-check the marks on the wires, make sure the wiring connection correct and reliable. Four. Based on the installation location to decide the piping direction, and face frame case cutting. It is necessary to clean and smooth the case gap to ensure it will not spoil the pipes. Five. Adjust the connection pipes, and pay attention to the alignment of the horn, the strength control of the wrench to prevent nut rupture. Make sure no gas leakage after pipes connection. Six. Connect drainage pipe. It must be sealed with electrical tape to ensure no water leakage. Seven. Wrap the refrigerant pipes, drainage hose, and wiring as video. Important: please note that the pipe connectors need to be retained for later leak detection. Eight. Install the wall plate. Ensure that the plate is secure enough to hold the indoor unit. 9. Pipes through the wall hole, and to be sure fix the indoor unit on the mounting plate firmly. One. Fix outdoor unit on the mounting bracket. We suggest to use rubbers on the feet to decrease the possible vibration and noise. 2. Open the refrigerant pipes cover. Connect the refrigerant pipes similar as indoor unit pipes connection. Control the force of the wrench to prevent nut broken. Connect the pipe horn to the 2-way and 3-way valve straightly to prevent gas leakage. Three. Open the electrical control box, the indoor and outdoor connection cable to the left hole of the cover, and the power cord to the right hole. Connect the indoor and outdoor connection wires to the electric terminal. Attention, the marks of 1, 2, 3 and ground on the wires. They must be 1-to-1 correspondence with the markings on the terminal. Connect the power supply cable to the electric terminal. Please make sure all the wires connection correct and reliable. 4. Connect the outdoor unit to the main power supply. Note, you must switch off the main power supply first before the connection. Please ensure that the AC unit has a separate leakage breaker. 5. Check the status of outdoor unit after installation. 1. Connect the vacuum pump. First, with one hose connect the manifold low pressure gauge to the outdoor unit service port on the 3-way valve. Second, connect the manifold gauge to the vacuum pump as video. Then connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. 2. Switch on the vacuum pump and open the gauge low pressure valve. For split AC, normally vacuum the unit 15 minutes at least, till the vacuum gauge is maintained at -14.5 psi. For our 32 or our 454B unit, based on the length of connection pipes, it is suggested to vacuum the unit for around 15 to 30 minutes when pump capacity is 4.5 CFM. 3. Close the low pressure valve on the manifold gauge first, then switch off the vacuum pump. Hold the pressure for 5 minutes, make sure that the rebound of compound gauge pointer does not exceed 0.73 psi. If the pointer rebound more than 0.73 psi, you need check and repair the leakage point first. Normally the greatest possibility is from the pipe connector. 4. Open the outdoor unit low pressure valve counterclockwise for 1/4 turn with hexagonal wrench to let a little refrigerant fill in the system, and close the low pressure valve after 5 seconds. Check all the pipe connectors of indoor and outdoor unit. If there is gas leakage, please repair and tighten the pipe connection. Five, until no gas leakage found, clean the connectors, and wrap the indoor connector pipes as video, seal the wall hole with sealing cement. Six, keep the gauge at positive pressure, and quickly remove the pressure hose from outdoor unit service valve. 7. Fully open the outdoor unit low pressure and high pressure valves with hexagonal wrench. 8. Reinstall the protective caps of the service port, low pressure and high pressure valves of the outdoor unit, reinstall the valves cover. After finish installation, switch on the unit for running test, and teach customer how to use and normally maintain the air conditioner. For example, temperature setting, remote controller batteries replacement, filter clean, etc.